This is the first screen as a candidate you will see. It tells you a little bit of instructions to prepare to get ready for the screening interview. Next screen, we ask you to upload your resume, your cover letter. I've already gone ahead and uploaded my resume. So let's click to next. And now I have two options. I can hop on a call here on my computer, or I can hop on a call via phone. So it gives you two options. If you're on your phone and you want to make a phone call and do the screen via phone, you can do that. In this case, we're obviously on my computer. So let's hop on the call now. This is where you can check your input levels and your audio. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Click start interview. Gives you a nice little countdown just to prepare yourself for what's to come.
Hi, I'm from Acme Inc., calling about your AI powered interview. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. How are you doing?
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. Thanks for your interest in the account manager position with us. I'm excited to connect to learn more about your experience and how this role could be a fit for you. As part of our first step in our screening process, I'll spend the next 15 minutes to get to know you and answer questions you have about the role and company. Do you have any questions about the interview format?
No, not at the moment. Let's get started.
Great. Let's dive in. Do you have the legal authorization to work in the United States, or will you require visa sponsorship?
I'm available to work in the United States. I have legal authorization.
Perfect. That's good to know. Are you available to start immediately, or would you require a notice period?
I would require about a 2 week notice period.
Got it. Thanks for letting me know. I would love to learn more about why you are interested to join us. What is it about us that excites and interests you?
Yeah, Acme sounds like a great company. I saw the job posting, saw the link, the instruction to get screened. I clicked on it. Really love the fact that I have the convenience to be able to get screened 24/7 at my convenience. So I really appreciate that fact, and excited to share more about my experience for this particular role. I'll stop and pause there. Just wanted to give you a little preview of what the experience will sound like. Obviously, based on the questions, there would be other questions that is being asked by the AI. And as soon as you're done, you click done, and then we quickly ask you how your experience was and get some feedback so that we can continuously improve on the whole process itself. I'll say it's very satisfying, and let's submit, and that's it.